Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now by unlocking your iPhone and opening Settings. Tap General, then Keyboard, so you land exactly where Predictive options live. Make sure you've backed up any custom text replacements. Once done, you won't lose those unless you delete them. Why? Because resetting Predictive text clears learned words, but not your iCloud backups if you've synced keyboard data. Stay here. You're about to clear history and reset the keyboard without affecting other data. Once you're in General, scroll to transfer or reset iPhone and then tap Reset. Select Reset Keyboard Dictionary and enter your passcode when asked. The passcode step prevents accidental erasure. This action removes learned words and predictive suggestions that accumulated over time, which helps if the keyboard keeps suggesting wrong names or slang. Make sure to confirm, because this cannot be undone. After the reset, predictions start rebuilding from default language model. After resetting, type normally so the system relearns your style. Predictions improve over a few days as you use the keyboard. If suggestions still seem off, go back to Settings, General Keyboard, and toggle Predictive off. Wait a few seconds, then toggle it on to refresh. If issues persist, restart your iPhone and check for an iOS update. Sometimes updates fix keyboard model bugs. If nothing works, restore from a backup that predates the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.